Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying accounts and permissions so events flow correctly. Open Settings and confirm your Apple ID, then tap Passwords and Accounts to view linked services. Turn on calendars for iCloud, Google, or Exchange. This lets the phone pull events. Once done, choose a default calendar in Settings Calendar Default Calendar so new events land where you expect. Make sure Push or Fetch settings are appropriate for near real-time updates, because inconsistent polling causes missing entries. Now you add or adjust account settings to unify calendars. If an account isn't listed, tap Add Account and sign in with credentials. Grant calendar access when prompted so iOS can sync. Once added, open Calendar, tap Calendars, and enable only the calendars you want visible to reduce clutter. Then go back to Settings Calendar Accounts to set Fetch to Push or a frequent interval. This reduces lag between services. These steps merge event sources visually and keep entries current across apps. Finish by validating that events appear and edits sync across devices. Open Calendar and pull down to refresh. Create a test event and confirm it shows on other devices. If something fails, start with simple fixes. Toggle calendars off and on for the account, or remove and re-add the account to clear stale tokens. If you see duplicates, disable the duplicate calendar at the source or in Calendars list. Finally, make sure system time and time zone are correct to avoid scheduling errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.